Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you are here. Today I have exciting new products for you. So let's get started. I have 3 new products for you that just combine beautifully. First, there is a brand new Easy 3D Toppers pack, and it's called Lavender. And it's got those 10 gorgeous card toppers in here in 3 steps. And these are all packaged in individual little cellophane bags. And here are the embellishments. Look how beautiful in those purple and lavender colors. And they have 3 steps, so you just add foam pads and you have immediately a 3-dimensional card topper, and you will see how they come alive on my cards. Then I have this brand new butterfly paper in my shop, and there are 36 sheets in here. They are coming in 6 different colors, and each color has 6 sheets. And it's got these beautiful staggered butterflies here on the edge. Very, very pretty. We're going to look through those in a moment. And I have a brand new card size, and this is called the number 6 card size by Photoplay. There are 10 blank cards in here. The cards are 3.5 by 6 1/4 inches. So those make beautiful slimline cards. I thought when they came that they had envelopes. They don't. So what I will do is I'm gonna add 10 white envelopes to your pack, so you don't have to look around for envelopes. I do have matching envelopes in the number 6 card size. So when you get this from my shop, I will add to this Photoplay 10 blank cards, also 10 white envelopes. So let's start with the beautiful butterfly paper. So this beautiful butterfly paper comes in 6 different colors, and each sheet is different. There is no repetition here at all. Look at this beautiful design here. It has a little flower. It's got the butterfly. It has a lace print. And yeah, each, like I said, has there are 5 sheets in blue, different designs. Then we have green sheets. Again, all in different designs. There are pink, beautiful. There's still a few more green. I have already used this pack, so it's not totally intact. But then we have beautiful pink sheets, and these are just pastel colors, absolutely gorgeous, with a lace design on most of them. And then, of course, the butterflies. There is orange here. Then there's more. Oh, look how pretty that is. Orange. Then there is yellow. We have definitely some yellow papers in here. And then there is purple. So again, 6 colors, 6 sheets per color. A total of 36 gorgeous papers. Now these are on the lightweight side. This is not cardstock. It is a lightweight paper, but the quality is great. I have used these with liquid glue. I wanted to see if it wrinkles, and it doesn't. While it is lightweight, it does not wrinkle even when you use it with wet glue. And I tell you why I like these on my cards in just a second. So here we have this sheet, and let's see what the size is. So the length is 6 1/4, 6 1/4, and wide. If you take the butterfly, then we have 3.5. And if not, on the smaller side is 2 3/4. So these fit perfectly this new card size, which they call the number 6 card size. So the number 6 card size, when you fold it in half, again, you're going to have a card now that is 3.5 by 6 1/4. And now look, this one here just fits like a glove on this card. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. It does hang over a little bit here, and you will see what I have done on my cards. But isn't it just gorgeous? You don't have to measure, you don't have to cut. All you have to do is glue. And again, you can certainly use wet glue or a glue stick, or any glue of your choice, and this will look gorgeous on your card. So now let's see what I have created. Okay, and here is my first card. And I have used one of these beautiful sheets, one of my 3D card topper, and From My Heart is from the sentiment sheets that I also have just recently introduced. Here they are. They come in everyday phrases, and this is the thank you one. There are 4 sheets in the pack, a white and black, and you cut them apart. And since they're straight lines, you cut those with your paper trimmer, and then they're not stickers. You just cut them and then add them to your projects. And here I just inked the edges a little bit, added some bling, and then here is my first card. And you see, so that it fits in the envelope, I cut off that butterfly, and I don't think it takes away at all. It's just flying off this page here, off this card. And here is my first card, and I think it came out so beautifully, and the lavender toppers just match so beautifully. Now my next one, here it is, and this one has a pink background, and again I added some bling, and I'm gonna if you need bling, I have just beautiful, look at these half pearls, beautiful bling in my shop that I can link below. I love this shine or sheen to those pearls. Then we have this beautiful vase here, all adorned with the lavender. But again, isn't it just perfect how these sheets fit to the card? And because they are lightweight, it does not really add weight to my card. Sometimes, if you have cardstock and you don't layer the entire card side, then you have an uneven balance. But this one, it does not. It's just glued to it. It's almost like it's printed on here, and it belongs on this card. So I think these make a beautiful companion to the new number 6 cards. Now let's move on. Here is my next card, and look at this gorgeous embellishment. So you can see size-wise, they just fit perfectly. There are, that's the centimeter. Okay, let's see. There are about 2 or 3 inches by 3 inches. Yeah, so that's the approximate size. And again, they fit nicely on this card. I added again a little bit bling. You are loved. From my stash, you can add little banners here to add a little bit more of embellishments, but I think a little bit of bling helps. And the toppers are already glittered, so the glitter, and it's very light, that's already on here. I did not add any stickles this time. Here is my next one, and how is this one? Oh, happy day. I added from my stash, and then here we have all these beautiful vintage looking books, a cup of cocoa or coffee or tea, and then see the lavender here. The theme is lavender, of course, and then this beautiful pair of reading glasses. And here again is the card. This time those little butterflies actually come from the packaging. So when you get the package, on top you have a couple butterflies that I fuzzy cut and added here to this card. More bling, and here is my next card. I just love these. And if you like quick cards, these cards, I literally made all these cards, and you will see more in less than an hour, because it's really no more measuring, no cutting. It's just basically assembling. Love them. Okay, and then I have a couple more for you. Okay, this time I added a relief sticker to my beautiful background here. So you can see I used one of the blue papers. Now the butterfly sits here. You can see how the butterfly sits in different areas. So right now we had the butterfly sitting up here. Now the butterfly sits down here. I also had a butterfly sitting here in the middle, a butterfly sitting here in the middle. So they are staggered. And for this card, I added this gorgeous lily of the valley with the forget-me-nots, and this comes from the relief stickers from Hardy Crafts. So let's just see if I can show these to you. There are several on there, and they're little rubbery, very sticky. There are all these mirrored embellishments, so you could make projects where you need mirrored embellishments. Then you can put them back to back. There are also beautiful little butterflies, and then these gorgeous, gorgeous bouquets. There is a second sheet also with Lily of the Valley, and I know there's a glare here. Let's see if it catches. With tulips, gorgeous butterflies again. Also mirrored images. So yeah, just perfect for any of the projects that you may have for spring. They also glue well to acrylic, to glass, to porcelain. Great for gift boxes. They are washable, so these are really, really versatile. But I use them on my card, and they're a little bit dimensional. These are relief stickers, and you can see that they have a relief. I think it's great now. You can see it have a relief surface here. You can see how how chunky they are. And I added the glitter, so they come unglittered. And then Friends Are the Sunshine of Life is a stamp that I have, and added some bling. So here is one card, and I made another one with this gorgeous bouquet. Here is one of the butterflies. You are loved for my stash. A cute little butterfly that I also punched out from the packaging. This is a punch I have. And then here it is. Again, very, very simple. Paper, embellishment, sentiment, done. Really no cutting, no measuring. Aren't these gorgeous? And they fit perfectly into the envelopes that I will add to the pack. So I was just going to show you. These are just regular white envelopes, and you can just fit them in here and close it up, and here they are. So very, very nice, and just love it. But I have a few more projects for you to share. Then next I wanted to see how they would fit on a regular sized card. So this one here is, this card size is the one that you get at Michael's, and it is 6.5 inches by 5 inches. And this is how it looks when you put it on that size card. You have one side a little bit more than half covered by this paper, and then you just have a little bit on the other side. Now here I'm just going to show you how beautiful this paper behaves. Even though it is lightweight, I have corrugated the paper that I put on my white card, and the corrugated goes all the way over to the edge. Okay, so it sits side to side. Then I added this paper, but you don't see it. See? And I again glued that with liquid glue. There are absolutely no see-through for these corrugated. It just sits beautifully on top. Love and love that paper, and you get 36 different sheets. And here, this cute little element, of course, when I have these papers, I look what type of topper would match, and I found this die cut sheet. It's the Delicate Flowers by Precious Marika, with 3 beautiful birdies on there. Here is the one that I have used for my card, And then all, of course, the additional layers. There is a second little birdie and a third one, and I used all three for my cards, so you will see them. So I'll link this below, this die cut sheet. But isn't this just gorgeous? Gorgeous. And you make every day sweeter. Comes from Michael's paper pad. You know how they have these sentiments in there. So yeah, I just cut it out and thought this will look nice. Here is my next card. And what I have done here is, again, I added to my white card blank a green background paper, then added my blue butterfly paper. Look how gorgeous it is. I had a little bit of a leftover from my corrugated paper that I cut in size for my card here. Happy birthday is from my stash, and here is this gorgeous birdie. Doesn't it look great on here? Here's the butterfly, and all I did is I added some stickles for a little bit of bling. And here is this card. And then my last card for today, you see, has this gorgeous bird, this we just had. And again, I did the corrugated look because I really loved it. It looked so beautiful. And here is my bird, and really nothing else. The lace is already on here. I just added and popped up the Just For You from my stash. And here it is. And my staggered embellishment with foam pads. This one is staggered as well. So here are the three cards, the three bigger size cards, where you can see that these sheets also work very well to top your regular card sizes. And here are all the cards that I have created for today's video. I hope you liked these beautiful papers and embellishments. I think I love this card size. It's just so pretty. So if you liked these cards on my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Leave me a comment, share this video, and as always, these cards are up for grabs in value packs on my website if you are interested. So this is all I have for you today. Thank you very much for spending time with me. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.